In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money as a teenager or a young adult. Even if you are as young as 11 years old, you can do this. You don't even need a bank card or PayPal account to do this, but if you do have it, then it's a plus. When you make money off it, you can request the money to be sent to you by check, with no card requirement. Number 1 is print on demand. You can use a site like Cafe Press. This site does not require you to have a PayPal or bank card. What you do is, make your merchandise and then sell it on this website. Now you're probably saying, I'm not creative, but I want you to relax for a minute. With this type of business, you do not need to be creative at all, and you can look at other people's products and what's already selling for them and use it as inspiration. Please do not copy other people. The more unique it is, the better for you. Like I said before, you do not need a credit card for this. If you have one, then great, but it's unnecessary. You can make things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, school bags, masks. The potential is limitless. I have seen people make so much money from masks and then put a spin on a design that is already working and make it their own. Remember, do not copy someone's idea. That isn't nice. You don't have to make the product or ship it yourself when your item sells. It's like no work at all. Of course, when your item sells, they take their commission fee off it, but it's totally worth it. How nice would it be to not constantly ask your parents for money or be able to afford some nice things? If you want, I can make a step-by-step video on how to make the products for you. Then, let me know in the comment section. Another site you can use is called Redbubble. With this one, you will need PayPal, but you can get your parents or brother to make you a PayPal account or make one yourself. So it's not that hard. The concept of Redbubble is the same as Cafe Press. Number 2 is YouTube Absent. With YouTube, you can earn money in different ways. That's an adolescent. This is something that anyone could do. In the past, people used to think you had to show your face on your YouTube video, but that's not the case anymore. I showed an example of a crazy, easy-to-start YouTube channel in my previous video. I will leave the link in the description for you. I have never seen anyone on YouTube talk about channels like that before. It's as if people didn't know it existed. With YouTube, you have to be really patient and consistent. I think that is what put most people off. You should have accumulated 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch time by the end of the year. Number 3 is you can sell your clothes. You can sell your clothes on sites like Depop, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and your own website. You could also sell things like books there because people are interested in reading books. So if you have any beautiful books that you've read and are tired of reading, but you know other people will like it, you don't want to read any more, then sell it. This is a method to make some money, it's that simple. Number 4 is buy and sell used and cheap items. You can buy and sell second-hand items and sell them for more money. You'll need to have some money with this method, but it doesn't have to be a lot. You can start small and then work your way up. You can create your own online store or sell it on eBay. If you have any good interests, such as painting or photography, you should use them to your advantage because you can sell your art for money. No talent is wasted. There is always a way to make money with what you know. You could do things like taking photographs of the sky, animals, mountains, clothes, and many more. An example is websites that sell stock images. They get people to make them and then buy them. There is always a way to make with what you know. There are people out there interested in it. Number 5 is teach people what you know. You don't have to be an adult to teach people what you know. I have met kids that are smarter than some adults. If you know how to dance or draw, teach someone it and get paid for it. This will only work well for you if you enjoy working with other people. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great business to start because it requires very little to no capital. This business will provide you with a steady stream of passive money. This is incredibly simple to do with YouTube and blogging. For affiliate marketing, you can join Amazon's affiliate program. Affiliate marketing can be a full-time occupation. For example, if you see your favorite YouTuber wearing a particular shirt and you like it, you ask the YouTuber to tell you where they bought it. They bought it on Amazon. They can apply for an Amazon affiliate program and then send you their affiliate link to the product. If you click on that link to buy the product, the YouTuber will get paid a commission for it. That is how affiliate marketing works. Hopefully, you get the idea. That's it for this video.